In this video, I will show you how to run a Next.js project in your PC. At first, you have to install Node.js on your computer. For download and install Node.js, go to nodejs.org site. Here, you can download Node.js. After installing Node.js, and open your project, then open cmd from here. Now type npm install all packages are installed. Now type npm run dev and wait for some time. It will take some time to open development server on your browser. You can press Ctrl and click here. And finally, this is our project. It is running on our local PC. It will take some time first time open.